2 years ago, I made a decision. I started teaching coding on YouTube. On average, I posted 2 to 3 videos per month. But I need to tell you something real, something important. I was sharing the right things, but I was not sharing the next thing. Let me take you back to where this story actually starts. Because before YouTube, I was exactly where you are right now. I started my development career earning less than $50 per month. Think about that, less than $50 per month. I remember those days. I remember sitting in my small room and I didn't even have a laptop, just an old desktop and a poor internet connection. And I had no idea if I was going to make it. I was broke. I was learning from zero. And I didn't know anything. And while working on the $50 job, I was searching for other jobs, better jobs. For months, nothing worked, but something inside me refused to quit. So I kept going. Within 3 years, everything changed. I was earning $52,000 per year. I was working for the United Nations, my dream job. One of the biggest organizations in the world wanted me to work for them. I went from $50 per month to a real career. And then I never looked back. After my UN job, I worked with many more large organizations, Fortune 500 companies. And after working 15 years, I decided to share with others because I realized I was not the only person struggling like this. Then I started this YouTube channel. I started posting coding tutorials. I was showing people exactly how I learned to code. I was sharing the interview techniques that got me hired. And then something amazing happened. People started watching. People started learning. People started reaching out. And then one developer messaged me this: I got my first job. I got hired because of you. Then it was not just one person. There were 10 people, then 50, and then over 100 developers came to me and said, You helped me to get my first job. Over 100 people. I felt like I was finally doing something that mattered. These were real people, real struggle, real dreams. They were exactly like me, hungry but optimistic. So I kept teaching. I kept posting. I thought that was the finish line. But then something happened that changed everything. I started getting different kind of messages. I have a job, but I'm making okay money, but not enough. Not enough to feel secure. I'm scared of artificial intelligence. Everyone says developers are going to disappear. Those machines will replace us. What should I do next? Then another message, then another, and another. I started noticing a pattern. They were making money, but they wanted more control. They were working hard, but they wanted independence. They were developers with skill, but they wanted to build their own business. And now AI is coming. That is when I realized something that kept me up at nights. Getting the job is just the beginning. Learning to code is just the fundamentals. But what comes after? How do you take your developer skill and turn them into real wealth? All the coding tutorials, all the intuitives, that still matters. That is still one step. But AI can teach coding now. AI can help people pass interviews. AI can do all those things better than me, better than you. But AI cannot do one thing. AI cannot help you to become independent unless you know how to use it. That is what I'm going to teach you now. That was the moment everything changed for me. So, starting today, everything evolves. I'm building on top of this channel. You learn to code, that's great. You have a job offer, amazing. You're already working as a developer, awesome. Now, let me show you what comes next. I'm sharing how to take the skills you already have and turn it into real money, real income, real control, and real freedom. AI is not your enemy. AI is your greatest friend. And now, this is important. The developers who understand this, the ones who use AI to solve real problems for real customers, those developers are going to earn more money than anyone else. Those developers are going to be completely safe from AI. Those are going to be winners. So let me be very clear what is happening starting today. Every single video will answer one question. How do you take the skills you have right now, the experience you have, the knowledge you have, and turn it into real income? I will show you my honest experience step by step. I will show you code that actually mattered to the product. I will show you marketing where it actually mattered to the customers. And I will show you the sales that actually mattered to the business. Starting today, I'm posting at least one video every single week, sometimes two or three, but I will try my best to post one video every single week. Each video will show you what is actually working right now. Each video will prove something simple. Your skills are worth far more than you think. If you are ready to take your developer skills to next level, then stick around because the next chapter starts today.